Alaikum guys, and welcome back to the Windows Fixer YouTube channel. In today's video, we will configure the network sharing features, sharing folders from one PC to another through the network. For this, make sure that both of your PCs are connected to the same router. Let's configure on PC 1 first and then PC 2, and after that I will show you how to share a specific folder through network sharing. So what you need to do here, first of all, just right click on the network icon and then open network and internet settings. Once you are here, you need to click on the properties, the internet, or simply you can click on the internet on the left side and then choose the internet that you are connected currently. Right now I'm using public profile, but we need a secure one, so we will select here the private. Now go back once again. Now what you need to do here, once again, right click on the network icon, open network and internet settings, and this time you need to click on the network and sharing center. Now on the left side you will see here change advanced sharing settings, and now simply you need to make sure select here the first of all expand the private, and then choose turn on network discovery, and also turn on automatic setup of network connected devices, and file and printer sharing, also turn this option on. Hit apply, and then all networks expand it. Now use 128-bit encryptions to help protect file sharing connections, and also if you want password, you can just check this option, turn on password protected sharing. Otherwise you can just choose the turn off password protected sharing. In my case I'm using turn off password, and then click on save. That's it. By the way, that's the manual setting for all network, and if you want to share the streaming the audio or something like pictures, music, etc., you can also configure this one, but right now we are sharing folders. So that's it in the network settings. Now one more thing you need to do here, you need to open the file explorer and then right click on this PC, go into the properties. On the left side you will see here the advanced system settings. Now click on the computer name, and then you will see here to rename the computer or change its domain or work group, click change. Now first you can choose here your computer name and then work group. Make sure on the both PC use the same work group name. You can change it, but make sure you use the same one on both PCs. Alright, click on OK after finishing this settings. Now go into the remote option and then make sure check this option, allow remote connections to the computer, and then hit apply and OK. That's it. Now close it. Now let's move on the PC2. Alright, now on the PC2 open the network and internet settings again, and then internet properties, and then choose the private. We will perform here actually the same settings, and then go back. On the left side you will see here the change network settings again, and then here we will just go into the private settings and turn on the network discovery option and also the file and printer sharing. And that's it. In the all network all the things are default, but again the password protection, if you want you can turn it on, otherwise turn it off and click on save settings. In my case I'm using the turn off option. Now again open the file explorer, then right click on this PC on the left panel, go into the properties, then advanced system settings. First turn on the remote connection, click on the remote tab, then check the option allow remote connection to this PC. Now go into the computer name tab, click on the change for changing the computer name if you want, and also make sure the work group name should be the same on both PC, and then hit OK and done. That's it. Now let's close everything from here and then go into the file explorer, and then on the bottom you will see here the network. Now here that's my first PC and then the second PC. Now if you simply open these folders you will see here the basic folders like documents, in which images, folders, music, etc. But you can actually share the specific folder. Just right click on the specific folder that you want to share, then go into the properties and then sharing, and then advanced share. Now check this option, share this folder. You can also change the permission so the other user can edit or delete the folder and files, and that's it. Hit apply and OK. Now let me show you on my second PC, I mean the PC one. So let me show you one more thing that I just recorded on my second PC, and here it is. Just copy, paste, and that's it. The size of this file is 17.4 MB right now. Okay, I hope you found today's video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to share them in the comment sections without any hesitation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.